Well, hello again, it's Danny at Dynodaze, and today, because, well, let's be honest, it's that time between Christmas and New Year's Eve when nobody knows what day it is, no one knows what's going on, my body clock's all out of sync, my routine's gone to pot. I decided I'm going to get out of the house and I'm actually going to make some form of YouTube content, no matter what it was. And I had to think to myself, and there was something in the boot of this car that I bought a little while back from eBay, cheap as chips, like pence, and it's probably going to be awful, but I am going to fit it, and let's see if it's any good. And here it is. Yeah, it's a CRZ seat cover. Now, my interior in here is looking a little bit dated, a little bit old, because it's done 135,000 miles, but it hasn't been owned by someone that works in a workshop, so I suspect that I'm going to get it even worse. So, time to fit an eBay special seat cover and see what it looks like. And as suspected, that's quite frankly grotesque. But it does look pretty hard wearing. It does look like it would do a job of keeping your car seats in good nick. It's pretty thick material, so whilst yes it was cheap, I think it is going to do a job. But no, not impressed. If that logo was here, that'd be better, but it's an odd shape at the top. I don't think it's going to come down any further. Well, yeah, there you go. Like I said, cheap. Not impressed, but I suppose it's going to do a job. In fact, it'd probably be better if it didn't have the Honda CRZ on it. There you go. Cheap eBay mods. I shall put a link to the actual purchase down below in case you fancy one, but I wouldn't. No, I think I'll just buy some more seats. Peace out.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.